The vision began with one idea. Utilities were embedded inside recycled tires' wall.
Construction began with the first
Frames connected recycled tires to The vision began with one idea. Turn recycled tires into a symbol of luxury living.
Designers planned how recycled tires could replace traditional construction materials.
The bold proposal focused entirely on recycled tires construction.
Every wall was imagined to be built from recycled tires.
The first sketches already revolved around recycled tires. The layout maximized space using recycled tires construction.
Each wall layer was carefully designed around recycled tires.
Designers used recycled tires to enhance insulation and lighting. Comfort and recycled tires work together seamlessly.
Recycled tires form the backbone of the interior layout.
Engineers tested how much weight recycled tires could carry.
Architecture proved recycled tires could define luxury. Earthquake resistance was evaluated using recycled tires.
Recycled tires naturally regulate indoor temperature.
Authorities approved the structural use of recycled tires.
Load distribution was evenly spread across recycled tires.
The study confirmed recycled tires were construction-ready.
The journey began by collecting thousands of recycled tires.
Recycled tires were rescued from landfills. Exactly 2,000 recycled tires were prepared for construction. Even worn recycled tires still hold massive strength.
Quality checks ensured only usable recycled tires.
Drying increased the lifespan of recycled tires.
Every recycled tire was thoroughly cleaned.
Sealants protected recycled tires from moisture.
Prepared recycled tires were ready for stacking.
Safety came first while preparing recycled tires.
Experts verified the recycled tires foundation.
Construction began with the first recycled tires row.
A level base is critical for recycled tires.
Gravel supports the weight of recycled tires. Soil-filled recycled tires became solid blocks. The foundation phase could finally begin. Groundwork began for the recycled tires base. Recycled tires were stacked like bricks.
Strong compaction supports recycled tire stability.
Steel enhanced the strength of recycled tires. Vertical support stabilized recycled tires.
Symmetry keeps recycled tires' walls stable.
Concrete sealed the recycled tire structure.
Frames connected recycled tires to roofing.
Experts approved the recycled tire structure.
Recycled tires keep interiors cool.
Heat loss is minimal with recycled tires.
Recycled tires create natural thermal mass.
Indoor comfort stays stable year-round.
Nature works with recycled tires.
Indoor comfort stays stable year-round.
Exterior coatings shielded recycled tires from weather.
No one could guess recycled tires were inside.
Finishing transformed recycled tires into elegance.
Roof insulation worked with recycled tires' thermal mass.
The roof was anchored securely to recycled tires.
Slope ensures long-term safety for recycled tires. Roof integrity safeguards recycled tires' walls.
Utilities were embedded inside recycled tires' walls. All wiring met safety standards.
Recycled tires kept systems protected.
Modern living powered by recycled tires walls.
Luxury thrives inside recycled tires walls. Lighting elevated the recycled tires interior.
Modern kitchens fit perfectly.
Technology meets recycled tires. Recycled tires delivered elegance.
Clean energy powers the recycled tires home.
Energy is stored for night use.
Electricity flows through recycled tires walls.
Recycled tires homes reduce bills. The house became energy independent.
Water is reused efficiently.
Plants thrive naturally.
The house conserves water daily.
Rain becomes a valuable resource.
Smart circulation reduces waste.
Nature completes the recycled tire's home.
Luxury continues outdoors.
Balance enhances luxury. Ambience meets sustainability. The home feels complete.
Luxury shines at night.
Waste turned into wealth.
This is the future of housing. This is the future of housing.